Hey, today's not visiting day, okay?
Hey, Mr. Green, I do me that. You see, I be a celeb me I walk with today. Well, this man, I go and ease yourself. Buy a squad, I be your type too. Fly the gate. Yo, and hurry up and walk up now. As you see 2 months on the skin catch a fire. Hey, prisoner boy, I'm also a friend. I first I say woman. But I can't see a living I'll turn up in your face. Talk it truth. A long time I fuck sitting down. Don't worry yourself, man. You come on road, I hold it for them out, that's it. I go on one done. So I bring 3 sitting come visit here, you know. I say long for chat here. Just come out there, what? Oh, yeah, the girl Grace down. Spice, look like you walk with your crutches from your forehead. The whole world know how honor you stay now. You can't close a leg now. How would I run this, sir? Remember good now, man. No matter that man where they sing burn him. But what on them? How the rascal like this? Hey boy, pretty done. Think you man fuck, man. That's enough, little boy. Move for me, sir, man. Then Shelly, I'm not gonna just properly come look for you, man. You show up your skin like that. But you love fuck artists, sir. Why you stay like that? Alright, Macadam, I can't take a tissue from out of your panty now. We know you're not so blessed. Stop it. You get old now. You have anything you want to say to them? Alright, you first, Grace. Man say you make a big mistake. You should never ever mix up with RT boss. Big rubber tail. So you're sad for life. Macadam, man. Man say full time find a man and circle long now. Lack of intimacy cause if you behave like that over social media. You're a big woman now. You need to circle long.
Blood clot, Shelly Curran.
Why Shelly Curran? The man say I beg you in Jesus' name, please avoid him. Him no want to must slap out of you again. The man say in a dry stage right now, if he would rise, he using ratchet and cut you off. That's how you're sick in stomach. Avoid him name. He move on and you move on now. Get over it.